Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on iPad Air. So you have to start by opening your App Store and now click on search, and here you have to type in Firefox. Now click search and click on this icon to install your app. Now click open. And here you can set this browser as a default browser, or you can click skip. And now you can sign in to your Firefox account, or you can click skip again. And here you can select your theme, or you can just click save and continue. Now you can select your toolbar placement, or you can just click save and start browsing. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.